Hi, my name is Niru Choksi and I'm a respiratory therapist. Yesterday, I had a wonderful experience with Jasmine. She did NLP on me about my salt eating habits, and I have a joint pain. And somehow, I don't know that I don't believe in this, but with experience, I can tell at the end of the session when she asked me, how is your pain? I felt very light on my knee joints, which is severely damaged. And surprisingly, I can pull up my leg and I'm like, oh my God, it's so light. I don't know what happened to my pain. So, definitely some effect that I can't recognize what miracle happened, but I think it really works great. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you very much.